everyone, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and on the channel I do budget with me, cat staffing, saving challenges, investing and more. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. I will absolutely love to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all the support. And today's video, we're gonna set up my September monthly budget, and I will also be announcing a collab giveaway with Alma, Daily Ventola, the name of her channel. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway, keep watching so you will know the rules. Okay, so let's zoom in. So for my income, I get paid weekly, and actually I already receive my first paycheck. I get paid every Wednesday. So we're gonna budget $24.50, and this is money I will be getting after taxes, health insurance, vision, dental, 401k contribution, and I'm also contributed about $38 every paycheck that go toward my health saving account, HSA. YouTube and Etsy, nothing. I was close to reach the 100 threshold on YouTube. I did not make it, and for Etsy I received only, was it like 93 cents? So there is no point to budget for it. That being said, my link to my Etsy shop is in the description, so check it out. And side hustle and order, we're gonna budget to 50. So my total expected income. So my total expected income for the month of September, $24.50 plus $250 will be $2,700. And when I do my income, I usually budget in the low side because it's always best to underestimate your income and overestimate your expense. So at the end of the month, you won't have any surprises. For my mortgage and my sinking fund, just $1,000, and the reason is like $1,000 will be enough to cover my mortgage and my sinking fund. It's because I bought a multi-family house, so I have a tenant that's helping me with the mortgage, and also because of my income, I was qualified for about $123 every month from the state of Massachusetts to help me with my mortgage payment. Actually, it's a loan, but if the house stay my primary residence until the duration of my loan, I don't have to pay it back. And even if I have to pay it back, I won't have to pay interest on it, so which is good. I pay for my mom health insurance, and her health insurance before was $53, but it decreased to $36. She has health insurance in the marketplace because she's working part-time, and how much she pays depends on how much she make. I also pay for her phone. She has Metro PC, and it's $30. I don't have a car. I rely on public transportation, so I pay $90, and it's unlimited for the bus and for the train. My application, I cannot cancel everything. I only have like a canvas thing, and I'm only paying $6.95 because I got the free trial, and after the trial was over, I wanted to cancel, and there was a message like, why do you want to cancel? I'm like, because it's too expensive, and they give me an option to just $6.95. I don't know how long that will last though. So we have 1,000 plus 36 plus 30 plus 90 plus 27, $1,183. So how much do we have left if we buy the 700? So we have $1,517 left. So we're gonna do my cash envelope. My cash envelope is basically my valuable expense, and I keep this money in my checking account because I recently switched to Pop Money and using my credit card. For food, we're gonna do let's do 205. Transportation, Uber, even though I take the train because I don't have a car, sometimes if I'm taking an Uber, maybe once or twice. So let's just budget 25 just in case. Utility and electricity, I already paid this. Yes, so this is like my first bill for my electricity. Actually, it's for like just 15 days. It cost me like $15.98 for the electricity, and for the gas it was like $31.90. But because it was like my first time I just bought the house, I had to connect the gas and the electricity, like to be under my name. They charged me the 60 fee for that. So my total was 107.88. But they have this in the city of Holyoke. So if you just buy a house for the first 3 years, you have a 10% discount, has a welcome to Holyoke. And then everyone else has a 10% as well if you pay your bills within 10 days after you receive the invoice. So it's like 20%. So I had until 9/8 to pay it to get this discount. So obviously I did. So I pay like a 98.31 already. Yeah. So it's not bad. Even though it's just like for 15 days, but I'm hoping it will keep staying low. So we're just gonna put 98. And for water, I have like, I don't know, for the gas and electricity, I had to call the company, but for water, I did not call anyone. I have to check if I have to call for them to put it under my name. I haven't received a bill yet, so I don't know. Entertainment, we're gonna do 40. I don't have a life. I usually don't go anywhere. Tip, we're gonna do 10. Spending, let's do 15, like if we need something like households or something. Dollar Tree, let's do 22. Personal care, we're gonna do 10. Copay medicine, 10. Miscellaneous, let's do 20. Because there's like always something that you don't budget and just happen. And giving, let's do 40. So how much do we have? So 205 plus 25 plus 98 plus 40 plus 10 plus 15, 22, 20, and then 60. We have a total of $495. Or how much do we have left? We had 1517 minus 495. So we have 1,022 left. Next, we're gonna do my second fund. We're not gonna put much money toward my second fund. The reason is because of my saving challenges. Once I'm done with them, I will allocate some money for my second fund. Christmas will be getting something because I am behind on Christmas. My budget this year for Christmas was 600. Clearly, that's not gonna happen, so I'm gonna decrease it. Birthday will get 10. Gift and event, let's just do 3. Car, let's do 20. So I don't have a car, but I'm saving for one. It's a slow process because it's not a priority right now. Electricity is 20 because I was like looking at my budget, and if I do get a car payment, car insurance, car sinking fund for repair and stuff, it's like gas. Yeah, my budget will be too tight. So not a priority. Vacation will get 5. Then, so we'll just get 5. I have my appointment at the end of this month, but already for my previous paycheck, I did allocate a lot of money. So I supposed to have enough. Vision will also get 5. Allowance, I'm going to give myself 20. Self-care will get 10. Clothes, shoes, let's put 5. Budget with Jenny won't be getting anything because I usually stuff this using my YouTube paycheck, and obviously I did not get a paycheck. Taxes won't get anything, and now we're gonna giveaway won't be getting anything because I have enough. So Alma, a channel is like a Daily Ventola. She recently reached like 200 subscribers, and me, I'm trying to get to 2,000. I think I need just 7 more. So we decided to have a collab giveaway. So there will be 2 winners, and each of them will get $25. So 25 from me and 25 from her. So like for me, as long as you have like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, what else? I have Zelle. So you can enter. And the rules, you have to be 18 and older or have your parental permission. You have to be publicly subscribed to both my channel and her channel. The link of her channel will be in the description. Also, the link to her video. We will check. If you win and then we check you're not publicly subscribed, you won't get the money. So because this giveaway is for people that subscribe to our channel. What else? And for me in the comment, just leave me a comment and tell me what you gonna do this weekend. So let me know what's your plan for the weekend. For me, my plan is doing nothing. I'm just planning to stay home, probably watch YouTube, sleep, wake up and watch more YouTube, Netflix. And there is nothing wrong with that, right? So this is what I choose to do this weekend. So let me know what you're gonna do this weekend. And then obviously like this video and go to her channel and watch her giveaway video and do what she asks you to do, because it might be a different question. Yeah, and then we will through, and then we will announce the winner a week from now, September 17. Yeah, pretty simple. Just tell me what are your plans for this weekend, and you will be entered for mine. And after you finish watching my video, go to our channel, watch the giveaway video, like, be publicly subscribed, and you will be entered. Oh my God, I cannot talk. Epsi will get to PO Box 2. Let's just do 2 for subscription. Oh my God. This time I won't have a lot of money going toward my saving challenges. So 50 plus 10 plus 43. Plus 40. Plus 15. Plus 35 plus 6. 159. Right. 150. So we had 1,022 minus 159. It's 63 left. So let's just do 150. I-bonds, we're gonna do 25, and the remaining will be going toward my saving challenges, which is not much. Minus 150, minus 25, so we're gonna have 688. So 688 plus 150 plus 25, it's 863. So we have no money left. This is a zero-based budget. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and follow the rules if you want to enter my collab giveaway with the Arma Daily Ventola. And yeah, and go to her channel, give her some support, because she just switched to 100. So let's get her to 500 so we can have another giveaway. And I will see you in my next video, which will probably be a dividend income report. Bye. Have a great weekend. Until next time. Take care.